Politricks watch. This is P. Now, I want you to picture a press conference. It is a big press conference call. Big meeting. People get excited. Who is keeping the press conference? Shaquille O'Neal. Yes, the basketball player. Shaquille O'Neal is keeping a press conference. Everybody need to turn up. Bring your camera. Bring your phone. When you turn up at the press conference, Shaquille O'Neal go up on the stage and he says, I have something to tell you now. I call this press conference because I want you to know that I'm tall. Wouldn't you think to yourself, thank you very much, Captain Obvious. What a giant waste of time. Tell us something we don't know. That's how I felt when we see FLA press conference. And the CEO of FLA, Shane Darling, I go tell we say, FLA shaky. The CEO of FLA, I go tell we say, FLA corrupt. The board spooky. Man I get gun who definitely not forget none. Outright criminals I get gun. But of course me telling you this long time. But because my thing is mainly if bad minds care my fight against artists and make up things to get views, you know it got already. Sometimes people have to see somebody like this who is quote unquote somebody come out come say it and believe it. So press conference call. Criminals get gone. How could this have happened? FLA shaky. The thing corrupt. Man them buy it out. Well thank you very much, Captain Obvious. What's new? I was hoping for hear something we don't know. Now, the only interesting part about the press conference is when time they mention a couple cases. One of them involved one of your favorite artists. You know your favorite artist who is a convicted rapper bull. Right, you know. Not just a rapper bull, but he actually used a gun in the case of carrying out the act. I'm talking about Jackie. Right. Spookily enough, last I heard he was behind bars again. You see, like if you understand that after Jackie left jail house, as a convicted armed rapper bull, can use gun, hold on the girl. Right. Then, apply for legal firearm. Initially it was turned down. Little after that, the decision get reversed. One board turn it down, the next board, right, reverse the decision. There wasn't even an appeal or nothing. You see the Jackie case is spooky. Because here's an example of somebody who, as we say, convicted rapper bull, even used a gun in the case of carrying out the act, touch back a road, say, you know what, want a legal firearm. Why you think he would even attempt that? Because he knows him have a link in the system. A convicted rapper bull, an armed convicted rapper bull, now apply for a legal firearm unless he already knows him have a link in the system. You know, the Jackie case is funny because I remember clearly Jamaica was convinced that Jackie was some kind of, savior. But the system was fighting against him. People from flankers know all about Jackie. Jackie mash up the girl life to this day. But of course, you don't care about that. You don't care about that because the same way, you don't care about that because you don't care about criminals when they're entertainers, when they're populars, when they're politicians, when they're people who you like and sleep on TV, you don't care. You see, when entertainers commit such, barbaric acts, people say, well, everybody make mistake. The same Jamaican do tell you say, ordinary, non-famous rapper bulls should be killed, jungle justice. When them hear say them favorite artist is a rapper bull, them say, well, everybody make mistakes. Nobody is perfect. But jungle justice for everybody else do. Every other man who do something like that with Jackie do, just kill them on the spot. But don't kill Jackie though. He's different, he's special. Don't kill my favorite entertainer. Police must kill all criminals except the one them are entertainer because, the fact that them can make music and them talented, give them a blind. Kill everybody else though. Panta by it, we say. Even Dan, I get 4 gun. We say man, they get deported and all kind of crimes are foreign. Get legal gun. What all these people have in common? Them have money. You see, when most of the license them was for sale. That's no secret. People, very shady characters, people who shouldn't even get past the application process, shouldn't even get past the initial stages, get them. Because once you can grease up arm, you know it got ready. Welcome to Jamrock. But the worst thing about all of this is the fact that many law-abiding Jamaicans who deserve legal firearms have been ejected under the basis of them not seeing a reason for you get one. That's actually a reason for me for them don't see a need for it. You could be a business owner in a notoriously violent community, a part of Jamaica that is very spooky, violence everywhere, and they may literally write and tell us, we don't see no reason for you to have one. FLA is dirty. FLA needs a shake-up. FLA, like enough of the things in Jamaica, outdated. I need a revamp. When was the last time you see a CEO come out and throw board under the bus? You see, how me see it look like something that will go down at FLA, and man a try save themselves from now. So man a try throw people under the bus from now. Shane Darling I say, yo, I know me nor them. See, soon you them I say, yo, I know we nor him. And everybody a point by everybody. The CEO a point on the board a point on the staff a point on the CEO. It's one big circus. One giant circus. You see, what we have to understand about this whole FLA thing. When time them telling us that they do investigations and they're investigators, this and that. Now for the man them will get turned down, don't bother things in a serious investigation going on. When them say them do investigation, all them do are probably just run a criminal background check, right, and then make 2 phone calls to somebody. That's it. And then run the background check, and she say you're a criminal. If money run, them look past it. This is one of the things them, especially when it comes down to guns. This is something where these are cases that people kind of hold on and believe. People believe say, guns are inherently bad, right? And if you put them in the hands of people, then okay, fine, you do your thing. But for those of us on this side of the fence, right, those of us who refuse, right, to leave certain things in the hands of somebody else, those of us who believe, right, in a case where, for example, in a robbery attempt or whatever the case may be, we want the ability to protect ourselves, right, in that instant, not pressing the panic button and wait till the killing alarm come, not calling the police and wait till the police come, but defend ourselves in that instant. Those of us, FLA, is always under the spotlight. Now for the thing them I'm talking about FLA, them not really concern me now. But I know there's enough people out there really want the ability to protect themselves. A lot of business owners who are in some communities that are spooky, that are regular citizens, right, who they might have to move money or they might have to deal with this and deal with that, and they want the ability to protect themselves. They don't have bodyguards, right? They can call police, yes, but how fast police are going to reach? People, right, those people, are them really I speak for. The people are more like anti-gun because they watch them favorite work platforms and they make foreign liberals tell them, say, the gun is the, even though many of these rich foreign liberals are protected by bodyguards with guns, but that's for another day. Anyway, FLA, tell you something we don't know. Shake up FLA. The Ministry of National Security, which is the ministry I think is responsible for FLA, they need to overhaul it. Like all time there's a name and say the overhaul engine. FLA want to overhaul. Too much law abiding man. I get run with because they can't afford to buy out. They look how one guy got staff them down at FLA. Criminal dressed up in a suit. Anyway, Patient Squad, you open yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Walter Squad, see you circling. Bless.